to my channel. Kathleen Hart here from the Little Piece of Heart cooking blog. And today's video, we're doing some low carb summer drinks. This is the time of the year where something refreshing is always in my hand. So I wanted to share with you my top five, I narrowed it down to 5. My top 5 like keto low carb drinks that I love to have on hand that aren't water. So I know water is like the no-brainer, like drink more water, but sometimes water just doesn't cut it. And if you're not ready for an alcoholic drink, or maybe you don't drink, there's gotta be some options for non-alcoholic summer drinks. Thanks for joining me today. Let's get on into the 5 drinks because I'm actually getting thirsty. So the first drink is gonna be some infused water. This just wakes up normal boring water and just elevates it to the next level. I was recently at my sister's house and she had made cucumber mint water. Oh my gosh, was it delicious. And cucumber and mint, low carb ingredients. She had them like sitting in the water in the fridge overnight and I had to recreate that at home. It was so delicious. Another way I like to have this water is with ginger in it as well. I'm obsessed with ginger. Okay, drink number 2 is something that I mention a lot in my what I eat in a day videos because I'm on the regs trying to wake up my water game. So in this case, I love as an afternoon like pick me up. I don't know, something about 2 p.m. makes me want like something with more flavor. I don't know. I love to have club soda mixed with diet cranberry. I just think like mind blown. It's so good. It's bubbly, it's got flavor, and it almost tastes like you should feel guilty about drinking it, but you don't have to because the carbs on the diet cran are so low. It's great. And I'm only using like maybe 2 tablespoons to, I would say like a glass of water, like an 8-ounce glass of club. Try it. If you haven't tried it, go. And in your grocery store, they have so many different flavors of this diet cran. Today I'm using just the diet cranberry with the hint of lime, but they have diet cranberry pineapple, diet cranberry mango. I love diet cranberry cherry. Okay, so number 3 drink that I'm obsessed with is going to Dunkin Donuts and getting a black iced coffee, but then adding in any of their flavored sweeteners. You have to be careful though. It's not the flavor swirls, it's just the unsweetened flavors. So I usually get either raspberry I love, I also love hazelnut or French vanilla. I just think those 3 are not all together at the same time. But I usually just get one at a time and they are so good. They are low carb and they just wake up your coffee. And I usually will add like a little squirt of stevia into there just to give it a little bit of sweetness as well. So you have the flavor and then you have the sweetness. You could also add some heavy cream in there as well if you wanted. I personally just love Dunkin Donuts coffee, iced coffee black with a little bit of their sweetener and a little squirt of stevia. I think that is just amazing and it is low carb. Another drink that if you've watched me for a while, you know I'm obsessed with this drink. So it has a base of club soda again, but this time I'm gonna add in some fresh lemon juice and fresh lime juice. Now, if you're kind of one of those people who gravitate towards like a margarita type of taste or like a sour taste like I do, especially in the summer, this is an awesome non-alcoholic version of that. So I like to take a big Yeti, fill it up with ice, fill it up with club soda, and then I will actually do half of a lime juiced right in and half of a lemon. You could stop there, but I don't. I like to then take pink Himalayan sea salt and do a couple grinds of that into the drink as well. And let me tell you, game changer. It's almost like the salt. Not only is it good for your body because you're getting hydrated and it's giving you electrolytes, which if you guys know me as well, you know I'm obsessed with pink Himalayan sea salt in anything that I drink. But what it does is it creates almost like a sweetness to the water or to the club soda, and then you have the sour from the lime and the lemon. I don't know what happens in this Yeti, but it is magic. It is so good. If you have not tried that, you have to. All right, let's go into the last drink. This is gonna be a smoothie. Now, when I was pregnant, I was obsessed with smoothies, but they were all filled with high carb ingredients, so I can't have them anymore. But now that I'm back on the low carb lifestyle, I love still to make a low carb smoothie. How do I do this? I take a low carb protein powder. I usually do 1 scoop, and then I add in 1/4 cup of frozen blueberries, And then I will use almond milk. I use unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and I blend this all together, and it is perfection. It's perfection. I love it. And if you didn't know, fun fact, I hate milk. So the fact that I'm drinking this and loving it, you know, that should be testimony in and of itself, because I hate milk. So almond milk that's vanilla and unsweetened is low carb. The blueberries are great for you and also low carb, and so is if you have a good protein powder, put that in there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I sparked some joy into your low carb or keto lifestyle and, you know, gave you some new good drink options that are non-alcoholic, because we all need them in our lives. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Definitely click down below, hit the red subscribe button so you never miss a new video from me, Kathleen Hart. Also down below, I have linked my blog. I've got recipes on there, meal plans, anything and everything to help you survive on your low carb or keto diet lifestyle. Definitely check it out if you haven't yet. I'll also put down below some videos that I think you might find interesting so you can see what to watch next. With all of that said, I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you very shortly with a new video. Bye everybody.